This Coldwell Banker Segerstrom property video is presented by Kalendrich less than bedroom greater than BRE number 010139957, LIC number 015094112. Move-in ready single-level home in downtown Sonora. This home would make a great full-time or rental investment property given the low-maintenance landscaping and recent updates. Accommodating floor plan with laminate flooring in the living room and a wood-burning fireplace. The kitchen offers plenty of space for an island addition while still having enough room for a dining table. All the bedrooms are down the hall with the master bedroom offering a stall shower. A full second bathroom with a tub/shower is off the hallway along with a hall closet. The enclosed front patio provides additional privacy and outdoor living space. With an oversized single-car garage, with sink, and attached shed, there is plenty of storage space. Take the 3D tour for a virtual experience. For more information, review the details below or contact Kalendrich less than bedroom greater than BRE number 010139957, LIC number 015094112 at 209-768-4312.